Hello everyone. In this video, let us understand the next sound. This is the sound, also known as the schwa sound. Now, this is one of the most common sounds in the English language. Most of the times, when we are speaking the sound, normally we are referring to this particular sound. Another thing, this sound is an unstressed sound. So, whenever we are discussing this sound, the stress will not fall on this particular sound. For example, you can see through the words, for example, word like again, allow, women, drama, beggar, dollar, meter, center, succeed, scum, treasure, measure, feature, comfort, effort, actor. Now the stress was not on the schwa sound, and this is one thing that happens with the sound. So in order to understand the sound, as I've said in my previous videos also, speak the words and focus on the sound. Try to identify some more words with a sound, and if you do identify them, mention them in the comment section. As far as the position of the sound is concerned, it can be seen in the initial position. Look at the word alert. Here it's in the initial position. It can also come in the middle position. For example, look at the word amorous. In the word amorous, it's towards the middle. Or it can also come in the final position. For example, look at the word bitter. In bitter, it is in the final position towards the end. Practice this sound as much as you can. This will really help you to differentiate it from the other sounds also, and add new words. It will be interesting and it will be lots of fun. Happy learning.